Okay guys, today I'm going to review the QiYi MS Magnetic 2x2 Rubik's Cube and some other stuff. Okay, so here we have the Speedcubeshop mat I'm about to open right now. Okay, now we're going to review this Martian I got from Speedcubeshop. 6 drops, break in, enjoy. Okay. Now we're gonna put it into this 2x2 once I can open the box. Oh, it's a nice texture. Okay, that's pretty nice. There's a bit of lube on the outside, but it's not that big of a deal. You can just wipe it off. Okay, instructions. This plastic thingy. This. Okay, guys, whatever. Okay, let's put some lube into this. I never used a 2x2 before. This feels so weird. Okay, it kind of makes a bunch of noise. It's not that big of a deal. It's actually pretty smooth and quiet. You can't do M moves. It's so weird. It's so weird. Okay. Let me scramble this. I don't even know how to solve it. I'm just going to attempt to solve it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, that's pretty good. So I assume I just make the first 2 layers. Okay, so this goes here. Okay. Yes. Oh, that was so good. This mat is really smooth. I like it. It has a good, rubbery grip on the outside. It's nice. And I totally recommend this lube. It's super smooth. It keeps your cubes really nice. This is a nice cube. Let me test the corner cutting. Maybe I have to loosen it. But that's pretty good. Okay, reverse corner cutting. I think I just have to loosen it. I am gonna make another video on this soon, so hit the like and subscribe button down below, and see you guys in the next one.